Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss KNP algorithm. Why is KNP algorithm is used for, and what's its speciality? KNP algorithm is used to match a particular pattern in long text. We can do that in naive way. Then what's the speciality of KNP algorithm? If we do it in naive way, it takes big of n into m time. But if we do it with KNP algorithm, it beautifully comes down to big of n plus m time, which is linear time. So let's see first with naive way and then with KNP algorithm this pattern matching. If this is the text and this is the pattern, we'll try to find out this pattern in this text. By using naive algorithm, we'll try to match character by character. We'll try to match A with A. Now it's a match. Then we'll move our positions and B with A. It's not a match. Then again we'll move to the next character in the text and we'll try to see from that character onwards pattern matches. B with A doesn't match, so again we'll shift our position in text. Now C with A doesn't match. Now A with A it matches, and A with A again it matches. C with C it matches. D with D it matches. A with A it matches. A with A it matches. C with C it matches. But Y with B it doesn't match. So what we do is again we move to the next character in the text and we'll try to match it from the starting of the pattern. So now A with A matches, and when we move our positions in text and pattern, C with A doesn't match. So again we move to the next character and try to match with from the starting of the pattern. Now C with A doesn't match. So we'll move our next character in the text. D with A doesn't match. Now we'll move our character in the text. Now A with A it matches. A with A it matches. C with C it matches. Y with D doesn't match. So again we move to the next character in the text and try to match again from the starting of the pattern. A with A it matches. We'll move our positions. C with A doesn't match. So again we'll take next character in the text and we'll try to match from the starting of the pattern. C with A it doesn't match. So we'll move next character. Y with A also it doesn't match. Next we'll move to the next character. A with A it matches. A with A it matches. C with C it matches. D with D it matches. A with A matches. A with A again matches. C with C matches. B with B matches. In naive algorithm, we are trying to find out that for every character in the text, can we see any pattern down the text. So for every character, if the length of this is m and the length of this is n, for every character, these m characters can be iterated over to find out pattern in the coming down the text. So it takes big O of n time if we use naive algorithm. But when we do with KNP algorithm, if as we can see AAC, DAAC is matched, but Y with B doesn't match. But in pattern you could see that AAC is the matched pattern has suffix as prefix. This AAC suffix is prefix in the pattern. So what we do is we remember that this AAC is been matched and we try to match Y with D. In that way, certain iterations can be brought down in KNP algorithm. In KNP algorithm, we have to build an array which is a temporary array. It takes big of n time, which is so useful in KNP algorithm. First, we'll build up the array and then we will see how it is used in KNP algorithm. So to build this array to the for the pattern, let's take this as j, and first it is 0 for the first element in the array, and next we'll take I and we'll see if j and I indexes having the same elements or not. Then A is same, so then we'll place 1 in there, and next we'll shift I and j. Now this becomes j and this becomes I. Now A, C doesn't match. So we'll put 0 here and we'll shift j position to the previous index array element. So now j goes to the 0th index. Now we'll try to match j with c. It doesn't match. We already kept 0 there. Now we'll increment I. Now we try to match a with d. It doesn't match. So we'll put 0. Now we try to match a with a. It matches. So we'll put 1 here and we'll shift our j and I. Now j and I still matches. Then we put 2 here. Now we'll shift our j and I. They still matches. Then we keep 3 here, and now we'll shift our j and our I. D, B, they don't match, so we'll have to shift our j position to the previous element's value. So j, it has 0 here, so j happens to be 0. Now we try to match j and b, they don't match. Now we keep 0 here. So we use this particular array in the KMP algorithm. This means that as we can see 1, 2, 3 here. If we have matched till here, it says that by using this value, you can go and find out from that particular character in the pattern. This protected array indicates that from which character onwards we should be matching the pattern to match with the text. So we'll take two indices I and j here, and this is the pattern, this is the text, by the way. A and A, they have matched, so we'll shift the positions of our I and j. Now A with B doesn't match. Now j needs to be shifted to the previous element value of this array. So now j again happens to be 0 and I is still here, and we try to match B with A, it doesn't match. We'll shift our I. C with A doesn't match. We'll shift again our I. Now A with A matches. We'll shift the positions of I and j. Here is our I and j. Again we'll shift the position as A and A matches, C and C matches, D and D matches, A and A matches, A and A matches, C and C matches. Now our I is here and j is here. And now we'll try to match B with Y. As they doesn't match, j needs to be shifted to the previous element index. So we shift j to the third value. Now j comes here. We try to match D with Y. It doesn't match. Again we'll shift it to the previous element value. Now we'll shift j to the first character value. Now we try to match A with Y. It doesn't match. So we'll shift our I. Now as we try to match from now here, A with A matches, and A with A matches, C with C matches, D with D matches, A with A matches, A with A matches, and again C with C matches, and B with B matches. Now here we can find the pattern. In this way, we shift our j values. Certain iterations can be brought down, and here you can see that we are not, as we have matched till here, only character that didn't match, B and Y. So we shifted to the third position in the pattern rather than again starting of the pattern. So we try to match from third positions onwards. As it again didn't match, we shifted our positions to the first, and from there onwards we started comparing. In that way, certain iterations can be brought down, and it works in big O of n plus m time, where this construction of the array takes big O of n time, and the searching algorithm takes big O of m time. The overall time happens to be big O of n plus m, which is a linear time. Thus, we can bring down the n into m time into big O of n plus 1 linear time. That's it about it, and hope you guys like the video. Please do smack the like button and do subscribe for me, and comment about the video down there. Thank you so much for watching. Hooray! Iterated over to find out pattern in the coming down the text. So coming down the text, certain characters have already been matched, and from which character onwards we should be matching in the pattern. Like we should be matching in the pattern. So we again move to algorithm. We have to build a array, temporary array, which is n plus m algorithm, big O of n plus m time, which is linear time. Okay, fine. Edit చేయొచ్చులే. But if you do it with KMP algorithm, guys like the video, smack the like button. Please do subscribe and do comment about the video down there. Thank you. Hooray!